Good day everyone, what's up my people? So in this video, what I want to quickly introduce us to is the speak cells function. It's a command in Excel that enables you to pronounce the content of a cell. Now these functions, they are not enabled on Excel by default. You'd notice from my quick access bar that I have this extra function. So these are the speak cells function. You can see speak cells, stop speaking cells, and all that. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you enable these functions, these commands. Come right here to file, then go to options, then right to quick access toolbars. Now you notice that I already have these speak cells, right? So if I remove them now, so I want to add them again, you'd notice that these commands are not available here. This is because what we have right here is just the popular commands. So you'd want to make sure that all commands is enabled. So once you come right here and then you change the drop down to all commands, you have all the commands in Excel, and then you can look for the speak cells. You're almost there, and it should be somewhere here, right here. Click on the speak cells and then add. So you can also add the remaining ones until you get to the speak cells and enter. That's by column, by row, and then enter. And once you're done, click on the OK button and this should appear on your quick access bar. Let's quickly take a look at how the speak cells works. So I come right here to this cell here, and then I click on the speak cell.
Bicycle, motorbike, table, chair, price,
Great. So you see how the speak cells move from one cell to the other, and then you'd also notice that moving down the column. This is because of this option that is enabled, which is speak cells by columns. So if this option is switched for this, which says speak cells by rows, click on this and then come right here and click on your speak cells.
motorbike, $1,200, table, $300.
So you see how this moves from one column to the other. What it does is it completes a row before moving to the next, so it takes it row wise. Then the last function is that of the enter. It says speak cells on enter.
Turn off speak on enter. No. Cells will now be spoken on enter.
Okay, so once we press our enter button on any cell, it's pronounced and speaks out whatever it is.
Clothes, rice, chicken.
Also, this can work
$500.
This can work when you're just typing a new text into your cell.
Text.
So you can see how the speak cells command works in Excel. So that'll be all for now on this video. Thank you very much for watching to the very end. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and if you like this video, also use the like button and share for your friends. Thank you very much. Bye.